Hi, and welcome back to A to Z Convos. This week I have 5 more, maybe I'll throw in an extra one, idioms for you. Remember, after I explain it, I'll use it in a sentence and then I'll show you some videos about how it's used on TV and in movies. And then I would like you to give it a try and use it in a sentence and put it in the comments below for me to see. Thank you, and here we go. To bite off more than you can chew. To bite off more than you can chew. And that means to take on more responsibilities than you can handle, to agree to do more things than you're able to do. Okay, so I would use it in a sentence like this. Johnny bit off more than he could chew when he agreed to be in the orchestra at school and to play on the basketball team. Okay, so that's to bite off more than you can chew. To bite off more than you can chew. And now it's your turn. Practice using it in a sentence and put it in the comments so I can see.
Gentlemen, maybe we're biting off more than we can chew.
Yeah, I just don't want to bite off more than I can chew. I'm sorry, I didn't really want to have this discussion here.
I'd hate to see you bite off more than you could chew.
Have you ever heard the expression, biting off more than you can chew?
Autobots bite off more than they can chew.
Don't bite off more than you can chew, Stephen.
Did you bite off more than you can chew?
Look, I mean, if we bite off more than we can chew, we'll lose everything. Look.
A piece of the pie. A piece of the pie. That means to get a share or a portion of something. So I would use it in a sentence like this. Everyone at the company worked really hard, and so everyone got a piece of the pie. So that means everyone shared in the profits or whatever the benefit was from working so hard. Or you could say, we all pitched in our money for a lottery ticket, and when we won, everyone got a piece of the pie. So that means everyone shared in the winnings from the lottery. Okay, so that's a piece of the pie, a piece of the pie. And now here's some videos.
Talk to Leslie. You deserve a piece of the pie.
They finally got a piece of the pie.
Maybe cleared less money, but we got a bigger piece of the pie.
But my piece of the pie will be as big as yours, period.
Doesn't mean we have less right to a piece of the pie.
The only way any one of us is going to get a piece of the pie.
To throw a curveball. To throw a curveball. And that means to do something that's unexpected or something that's surprising. Okay, something that just happens without any expectation for it to happen. And here's how I would use it in a sentence. We had planned to travel over the weekend, but the bad weather threw a curveball in our plans. That means because of the bad weather, it wasn't expected, we had to change our plans. Here's another sentence that I could use it in, or you could use it in. We were supposed to work on the project, but the developments at the company where they fired a bunch of people threw a curveball in our plans. And then we didn't have enough people to work on the project. That's kind of a long sentence, but still, it means something unexpected or surprising happened that caused a change in plans. So that's to throw a curveball. To throw a curveball. Now here's some videos about it being used, how it's used on TV and in movies. Go ahead and watch these, and then you try and use it in a sentence and put it in the comments below.
It was kind of a curveball for me.
Oh, I know a curveball when I see one.
This is a curveball we will need to address.
Well, what do you say we throw a curveball and ignite this party?
Because you never know when it's going to throw you a curveball.
Great plan. Really good plan. Throw me for a curveball at the last minute.
Throw in the towel. Throw in the towel. To throw in the towel means to give up or to surrender. and I would use it in a sentence like this. I couldn't fix my computer and I was so frustrated I just decided to throw in the towel. Or, it was so difficult to read that book, I gave up and I just threw in the towel. Okay? So that's throw in the towel. Throw in the towel, to give up or surrender. And now, here's some videos.
If not, we'll throw in the towel tomorrow morning over breakfast.
I just throw in the towel and make it a state.
I know when to throw in the towel.
Don't you throw in the towel just yet.
Hey, you blew it. Throw in the towel.
Maybe I should just throw in the towel. Your dad.
We are not going to throw in the towel.
Maybe it's time to throw in the towel.
All right.
The thing is, I'm not ready yet to throw in the towel.
Do I say stop what or just throw in the towel?
Mom, let's throw in the towel.
To drop the ball. To drop the ball. To drop the ball means to forget to do something that you were supposed to do or to make a mistake. So I would use it in a sentence like this. I was supposed to pick the kids up from school, but I dropped the ball and I was late getting to the school. Or I was supposed to finish a project at work, but I dropped the ball and I missed the deadline. So that's to drop the ball. To drop the ball. And now, here's some videos to watch.
Somebody had dropped the ball.
They're saying that you dropped the ball.
Someone really dropped the ball here.
This hospital is dropping the ball environmentally.
You do?
I've been dropping the ball when it comes to our phone dates.
But someone dropped the ball.
Right. I'll be sure that I don't drop the ball on the ball.
Yeah.
Drop.
Yeah, she really dropped the ball.
The next idiom is to keep your eye on the ball. To keep your eye on the ball. So I would use it to, what it means, first of all, is to be very focused on something and to not get distracted. So keeping your eye on the ball means you're very focused on the task at hand and you're not getting distracted. So I would use it in a sentence like this. I'm keeping my eye on the ball by making sure I come out with fresh new videos for you at least every other week. Or I try to keep my eye on the ball at work and focus on the project, but it was so hard. Okay? So keep your eye on the ball. Keep your eye on the ball.
Keep your eyes on the ball.
Leonard, keep your eye on the ball.
Maybe you should keep your eye on the ball, Papa.
Come on, you can do it. Keep your eye on the ball.
Gotta keep your eye on the ball, guys.
Just keep your eye on the ball, Bonnie boy.
You gotta keep your eye on the ball, AJ. The ball.
Thank you for watching this video, and remember, go ahead and practice using these idioms in a sentence. You can practice with your friends or your family, or if you're feeling brave, put it in a sentence and put it in the comments below and let me see how you do. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.